This is a review of 6 64-ounce, so half-gallon amber colored jars that my mother-in-law sent me as a birthday present from Amazon to my door. And I'm so excited and so happy she did. These are perfect for my herbs, because with the amber jars, it helps keep sunlight from degrading my herbs. And so I do have herbs already in this one, and I used a vacuum sealer I did use a vacuum sealer to seal the top, and I absolutely love these, you guys. It's good, solid amber glass, and I am not concerned about the sun degrading my precious, hard worked for harvested herbs. And so I am so impressed, and I would strongly recommend these to store for all of my herbs. And so I will actually be filling up all of these jars and wishing I had more with bulk herb purchases that I've already done as well. So throughout the next couple weeks, I will be not only storing herbs that I have not only will I be storing herbs that I have harvested and dried myself, but I will also be utilizing these jars for my bulk herb purchases to make sure that I keep the quality and freshness of these bulk herbs intact as long as I can.